Good morning, cThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 ATC Game Changer Pro. This is the 4023. This is a really nice unit. It's got the gray exterior with the black trim, 200 gallons of fresh water, prepped and ready to go for a big generator if need be. Come on inside, let me show you some details. Get inside here, we got ample space here for cargo. There's no slide out in the living room, so we can take advantage of the full width body here. With the furniture folded up, we got plenty of cargo space. Heavy enough ramp door to actually put a car inside if need be. You know, majority of your toy haulers will not do that. Interior aluminum fender wells if you need to drive up on and utilize it that way. The airline tracking system in the floors, 3 across, and in the walls, so we can slide our furniture and or tables back and forth where we want. This has the bunk bed above, the opposing couches down below. We got the rear screen wall. It also has the rear cable kit and patio kit out the back with the step that comes up the back, the gate, you know, and the cables for the patio. Nice big windows. Blackout shades, real nice. Plenty of plug-ins and USB outlets throughout. We got the metal cabinetry, overhead cabinets above with adjustable shelving in the Pro Edition. We have a lip on the top of the cabinet, so if we want to put stuff up there, it'll hold still. You know, and another thing I like to mention with these cabinets, if you've owned an RV in the past, you know, they're not wood, so during the winter months or summer, depending on where you're at, we don't have expansion and retraction, joints coming undone in cabinet doors. I'm sure you've seen it. All metal, all aluminum, will not do that. It's a great feature. This is just something for, you know, a handful of you out there that have owned an RV before and want to, you know, mark off a lot of those maintenance items that you just don't have to do in this coach, you know, to keep it really, really nice, because there's a whole lot less things that you have to take care of, because it's not going to deteriorate, it's not going to swell, it's not going to rot, it's not going to delaminate, you're not going to get dry rot. So all of those things makes this a super nice coach and a great value for what you're getting. Fold down couch makes into a bed, it's real nice. Swivel rock reclining chairs here. The fold up table there. The fold-up dinette. So this is a dinette table that will fold, couches fold down and make into a bed this way, or makes up into the booths with the fold-down table. Real nice feature. The refrigerator here, nice big large 4-door fridge with a great big freezer. The overhead cabinetry above, solid surface countertops with the counters, tables that go back into the garage area as well. Microwave convection, stereo system, very large TV. Kitchen drawers on ball bearing rollers, all metal. Very, very nice. The control panel, all centrally in one location. So our leveling, our hot water heater, our inverter system, our dimmer switches for our overhead lighting, throughout, everything all in one easy location. We get upstairs here, got a nice big bathroom, walk-in shower, toilet position is very nice. If you've all owned RVs, you know what I'm talking about. Nice big vanity at the sink, overhead up top mirror, lots of storage space, nice solid door, nice queen size bed, storage all the way around. Storage under the bed, drawers beside the bed, USB plug-ins, 110 outlets again. Fantastic fans in the ceiling. Closet storage over there, or even washer and dryer prepped if we want to put a washer and dryer in there. This one has the optional bedroom slide. Prepped for a TV, whether it be a 12 volt or a 110, it's all wired that way. Got the pocket door to separate the bedroom and the living area with a nice positive lock. Let me show you some stuff outside. Got the nice solid step. Torsion axles, Goodyear tires, metal fender wells, auto leveling system, frameless windows, nice big patio awning with LED lights, real bright patio spotlights outside. Prepped here, we got 110 plug-ins, we got 12 volt, and we got cable if we want to mount a TV outside as well. Nice big pass-through basement. Pump station on the awning side, which is really nice in case we want to put fuel in our motorcycles, quads, or ATVs or whatnot during the rainy season. We're underneath the awning. Lots of LED lights all the way around. Just beautiful. It looks very, very nice. Big, large propane tanks. Generator area here. So the factory ships us with tailpipe. All ready to go. So if we need the gen, we can get it from the factory. They're just a little slow getting the generators. As you know, this time of year, generators are really hard to get, but it does come with it. You'll notice the framework underneath here, how it's all welded all the way around the beams. Rotoflex hinge. Just a beautiful looking coach. This is the Game Changer Pro Series by ATC. It's a 4023. My name is cThompson with BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions on any of our inventory, we have a handful of ATCs in stock at the moment, so feel free to call me direct at 541-979-1770. Make sure you ask for cThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City.